New firmware for many MEBII modules has been released to address the recent California law about default passwords. This video shows operation with an MEBII, but this feature is also in the DEB, EPE6, QRPC, and CNOE. When a module is reset to factory defaults, the web administrator and user passwords are cleared, and a new temporary password is randomly generated. This new temporary password is used in the first access of the web server. The IP address of the module after a factory reset will be 10.10.10.10. The web browser shown later is on the same subnet. The web server is automatically disabled during a factory reset. To turn it on, select the System menu, choose www, and then select Enabled. To see the temporary password, select Password from the menu. Write it down, or take a picture of this screen, as you will need this password for the first web access. Open a web browser, and enter the module's IP address. In this case it is 10.10.10.10. The first page displayed will require the user to enter the temporary password. Type in the password, including the dash in the middle. In this case, 518-023. The next page requires the setting of the administrator and user passwords. Again, enter the temporary password. Next enter the administrator password, followed by the user password. Press the Submit button when finished. Be sure to select the Store to EEPROM link. Otherwise, the new passwords will not survive a power cycle, and you will need to do this all again. You are now logged in as an administrator. You can now do any modification to the configuration of the module. If you log out, you will be prompted for the administrator or username and password. These will be the values that were just entered. The temporary password will never be needed again. Keep in mind that if the module is ever reset to factory defaults again, a different temporary password will be assigned at that time. For more information, please visit MEBII.com.